Hi everyone, this is Professor Jenny Kettler. I am shooting this video to just kind of give you an overview of this class. So you are in Intro to Human Diseases, and this is the home page. The first thing that you will want to do is you always want to make sure to check the class announcements. This is where I kind of put your weekly schedule up there and any kind of things that change or important announcements that can help you with your assignments. So you'll always want to make sure to check this every 1 to 2 days. So if you want to see all of the announcements, you can click on the announcements button and then scroll down. Because we're at the beginning of the semester, there's not much here, but there will be. Excuse me. So the next thing you want to go to is the content button, and your e-text is right here. You should have access to it because when you paid for the course, it should go ahead and work for you. When you click on it, because I've already gone in, it'll probably just take me right to it, but it'll ask you like a couple of questions about like, do you have a login and things like that, and so you'll just kind of run through that and tell it yes and give it your information, and then you should see this. And so what happens here is that this is the text, and if you click on this button, it'll give you the full page. On the side here, this is the table of contents, so you can see it's kind of put into units, and if you click on the unit, it will give you the chapters. If you want to go to a specific part of the chapter, you can do that. The review questions at the end of the chapters are really important because that is where a lot of your quiz questions are taken from. So you'll definitely want to make sure that you kind of look through these and understand, the ideas that they're giving you. But that's how you access your e-text. If we go back to the table of contents, the next thing that you want to do is look at your syllabus and schedule. So the weekly schedule is going to show you the module that we're in, what reading assignments you need to do, the discussions, the case reports, and then the quizzes. And that's pretty much the format for each module. You'll have, a couple of chapters to read. You're going to want to do that before you do the discussions and the case reports because the readings can help you with those things. The discussions have 2 due dates. The first one, your initial post, is always due by Wednesday, and your 2 peer replies are due by Sunday. And then your case reports are always due by Thursday. And so that won't change, or it shouldn't change throughout the semester unless something happens, but I don't foresee that happening. And so you'll want to have, this schedule handy so you can print it out, so that way you can see and put in your own personal calendar. Then if we go, the syllabus is right here, and then you have your modules. So each module is a week. So this would be week 1. If we go here, you'll see I have links to the chapter readings. And then sometimes there will be links to videos or to like other helpful things for the particular module to help you either with the case report or just help you study for the quizzes. But you'll have your quizzes at the bottom. And then, here's week 2, right? So here's your reading, and it corresponds to the chapter in the book. So like if this link for whatever reason doesn't take you to the book, you can just go into the book and find chapter 3 and read it. And then, so that's how you get to everything. If you want to go directly to see the assignments, they're all listed here. So if you click on this, I'm not in student view, forgot about that. Let me go to the one in the module. So for instance, in module 1, we have this case terms practice. So if you click on it, it will take you to a Word document. So they each have a Word document that you'll download. You'll open it up and you'll edit it, and then you'll put it into the submission folder. So let me go ahead and go to the student views just so that way you can see that. So we'll go back to that. So click on that. Okay, so you'll download the response sheet, right? And then when you're ready to submit, now because the class hasn't started, it's not letting me go in because it's not open yet. There'll be a button here for you to upload your Word document. Please make sure it's a Word document or a PDF. D2L doesn't like doing pages, so like if you're on an Apple machine, you're going to have to convert your Pages document to a PDF or to a Word document. So that's how you submit that. If you go to the discussions, this will take you directly to all the discussions that we're doing. You'll see the due dates. The quizzes are listed here. And then if you need to view your grades, that is listed here. So you can see that they're broken down by the module. You'll see how many points you earn, any comments that I leave for you here. And that's pretty much it. So it's pretty straightforward. It is a lot of information. I will say, like, if you haven't taken biology, or other science classes, there's a lot of science vocabulary. So if you run into anything where you're confused or anything like that, just let me know, and I'm more than happy to help you. The other thing is how to contact me. So if you need to get in contact with me, if you try to email me from like a Gmail account or a Yahoo account, it won't go to me. Instead, you'll need to go next to my name and hit in the class list and hit send internal message, and then it will send me a message in D2L. So you just type your email and hit send, and then I'll get it, and it'll be like right here at the top where the envelope is. If you do it any other way, I won't get it, and I end up having like really angry students saying, I've been emailing you for 3 weeks, and come to find out they've been emailing me through their Gmail account, and I never got it. Like it doesn't even show up. So make sure you're emailing me through D2L. But other than that, I look forward to working with all of you, and I will see you later.